Hi guys, it's Miss Katie. Today we are going to do a little math activity together. So in your school kit, if you could find this, it is 10 boxes. So you should have a sheet that looks kind of like this. I drew mine, so yours looks a little bit better than this. But let's count our boxes together to make sure we have the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 boxes. So this sheet of paper is to help you guys count. And so today you and I are going to count the pieces in this. So this is like a little baby orange. Some of you guys might be getting these in your lunches if you go and pick your lunches up at the school. I like to call them cuties because they're adorable and they're cute little oranges. So I'm going to start by peeling my cutie open. So take off the whole peel, or you can have mom or dad help you take off the peel. And then you can break your cutie into pieces. So I'm going to break it apart. So I have little tiny pieces. And then I'm going to move this down so you guys can see me counting on my grid. So I'm going to put these in each box so I know how many. So there's 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're counting with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you guys can see I have my 10 orange slices all counted out. So now you guys can practice showing me your fast 10. Do you remember what fast 10 looks like? That's right. 2 hands is a fast 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then the best part about this math activity is that when you're all done, you get to eat it. Yay! Okay, see you guys later. Thank you.